and I wasn't expecting the surprise.
Oh my god, it's absolutely amazing.
Kids and the grandkids have turned up.
Yeah.
And that's us on the plane, ready to depart from Edinburgh to Greece.
Check out my Facebook page, you'll see the video. Oh, it's so
Make sure the aisle and exit areas are nice and clear, and if you've got any glass bottles,
Wave.
these need to go under the seat in front of you.
Faith.
If you need a hand, we'll be happy to help.
Wave.
Have a lovely flight.
See you in Greece, where we meet Paige and Yordi as well.
Oh yeah, well the daughter and her fiance are there.
So we'll all be together.
Big family gathering.
Yeah. And our bestie friends, Dave and
ask for
Mandy,
anything more.
are with us as well.
Yeah,
So
absolutely amazing.
we'll have a fantastic week. Been on Rhodes now, Rhodes Island in Greece. Come up for a week. I haven't done a lot of filming out, but we have done a video of Greece before, Rhodes. So if you want to see that, I'll put the link in to this video. But let's say we've been here for about a week, enjoying time with family. So we've not really picked the camera up. Today's probably the first time.
Yeah.
We took a trip out today to a monastery that we've never been to before.
So,
We
yeah.
always find new places, don't we?
Yep.
Always. So let's go and have a look and see what this is like.
These beautiful bells. See how big they are.
Big bells.
They're tight. Thingy them because they have a string. Better look for them.
Ring my bell. Changed the top there. I wasn't sure if she had to cover
So
her
hot.
arms and that
I know.
when we go in. But that was a beautiful monastery of monestrys, and we just called it on a Sunday morning. We seemed to have had a bit of a service going on,
Yeah.
which was good to see, because they're all drinking the wine and cracking their bread afterwards.
Yeah, it's nice.
Real
nice to see.
community spirit there. Really nice to see.
Now we're going over to Monestrys Castle, which is about 12 miles away, so it's
Yeah.
not too far.
See what we can see in between.
Yep.
Wow, what a place, eh? Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Wow, this is awesome.
Oh, this is nice. Oh my god. There's a door.
Oh, yeah, look at it.
stopped here to get a drink and some crisp, and the guy here is Canadian, isn't he?
Yeah, been here for 34 years.
Yeah. I think he was born in Canada and then his parents moved here, so always nice to meet people. Right, let's go to the monastery.
Just take time. Check out the view, man. Oh, look at this. Oh. Sun's right in my eyes.
It's right in mine as well.
Brings back some memories, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? 2015 we renewed our vows.
2015 we renewed our vows right into the very spot. Around about this time as well.
It was at this time of night.
The sun was dripping
so hot
down my back.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're back here today because we're going on the sunset cruise.
Yep. Party boats just come in and then
€30 a person.
Yep. Unlimited drinks.
Unlimited drink, prosecco, Aperello, and beer.
Yeah.
So yeah, this will be fun. Sunset cruise.
Yeah. Hope you enjoy it.
I will.
Right. Loads of other shops, loads of other places. So this is the main street here at Faliraki. All the usual touristy gift shops.
It was one of these little ones we got into.
So that's there. Lots of restaurants.
Last time we was in that bar, there was an earthquake.
That's
Remember?
right. Yeah, it was a couple of years ago, wasn't it? Yeah, yeah. So we saw one of these pull up on the campsite, didn't we?
We did.
Where we're stopping.
Yeah.
But it wasn't a cocktail machine. Trying to find Anna a hat. And a couple of little gifty bits.
There's a haircut as well.
Before we go home tomorrow. We've had a lovely day at the beach today, haven't we?
Really nice.
Really nice. Kafara Beach.
You see it on the drone footage.
Yeah. You get your feet nibbled by fish. Which we've done once.
Many
just
people
to experience.
I bet many people have been to Faliraki. Have you been? Be below. So that's what cool.
Yeah.
It's been coming 15 years.
Exactly, it's our 15th year now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, do you want to try here for hats? They might have more.
No, they're the only ones they had.
Okay. Just going to keep walking down Bar Street.
Walking.
Walking. That's our favourite gift shop there.
I like this one.
It's called The Gift. We tend to get everything we want from there, don't we?
Yeah,
Not that we need to collect much now.
No, it's nice looking at the things that are in there, isn't it? But there's nothing we need now.
No, absolutely not. So, that there, what's that called? Sweet shop anyway. Used to be a toy shop, didn't it? There, a couple of years ago. Obviously it's Hansel and Gretel, or Hans and Gretel it's called. But you pick and mix in there and we get lovely sweets.
So, I'm all hot and bothered.
Yeah, no. I'm going to drop the our original Greece video into this one.
Oh, that was a bit old.
It was an old one, yeah, it was an old
When we
one.
first
but you know,
started.
it's worth looking at.
Yeah.
It's worth looking at.
Give you a giggle.
It'll definitely give you a giggle. Well, we're heading off for some food now.
Yeah, meeting up with our friends.
Yeah. So,
See you later.
see you later, alligator. Time for ice cream.
So this place here, we'll do an ice cream at the back there. Been here for a few years, haven't they?
Yeah, all freshly made on
Boys,
site.
I can't give a spoon out.
What flavour did you get?
I got black cherry.
And we got Snickers flavour. I can't get my spoon out of the packet.
Oh, it's nice. So nice.
Oh yeah, really good. Tastes just
you
like.
don't like cherry, good. Good.
Tastes just
Excuse
like
me, I'm
Snickers,
sweating.
doesn't it?
Absolutely sweating.
Beautiful. It's 49.5 degrees here today.
It's kind of hot.
Kind of hot. Time for tattoos. But who's getting one? And who's getting what? Let's find out.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Is it done?
Just a couple of details.
Board world, it will,
Yeah.
you know, the A with the, I don't know how to.
How do
How do you feel after your tattoo?
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's not too
Really
bad,
good.
is it?
No, after once it starts,
Done
then
now.
that's it. Yeah.
Absolutely.
You know.
Yeah.
I'm not much back for another one though.
Maybe next year.
Maybe not. And then we've got a new subscriber,
Yes.
Salis from the tattoo artist. We've joined his and he's joined us.
So thanks very much, Faliraki Ink, for that tattoo.
Yeah.
Much
We'll
appreciated.
post the link below.
Yeah,
If
and
you
we'll
ever
see
come,
you.
Go and see Salis.
Yeah,
He's had 25 years experience.
26, I think he said.
Oh, was it 26?
And he goes to tattoo conventions around Europe as well. So, yeah. Well, that almost brings this trip to Greece to an end
Yeah.
for our 15th year.
Oh.
stinking round here now, isn't it? Oh god, yeah, that's rank. Ugh. They must be sucking the drains. Oh dearie me. Makes it worse in the heat.
That is gross. Oh my god.
So we're gonna go back to the hotel, get a shower change, get some food, and
Go
then
to Thomas Bar, go to the bakery,
yeah,
then airport.
then airport.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.